Are you frustrated with your affiliate marketing results? Most people lose money because they're using outdated, broken models. Today, I'll show you a better way, the Hub-Centric model that helped my mentor make over $500,000 in sales in just 5 days. Without ads. This revolutionized affiliate business model made over $10,000 per month in commissions for most students. In today's video, we'll classify the different types of affiliate models, show you how to avoid common pitfalls, and reveal the secret affiliate model. So if you're interested in making passive income, keep watching to the end because I promise this video will provide valuable information you won't find anywhere else. Let's break down why most affiliate marketers fail. First, the amateur model. Here's what happens. You send traffic straight to an affiliate link, but with a 1% conversion rate, you're losing money. Spend $1,000 on ads, you'll make $500, ouch. Next, the funnel-centric model. You capture emails first, but even then, only 1% buy. And if you spam your list with offers, they unsubscribe. Now you're stuck with a dead list and no revenue. Both models fail because they're transactional, not relational, but there's a better way. Imagine owning an island where your audience wants to stay. That's the Hub-Centric model. Here's how it works. Step 1. Lead magnet. Start with a free resource that solves a problem. Example, a 7 steps to freedom if you're promoting a coaching course. Step 2. Wrapper offer. Next, present a custom offer that bundles the affiliate product with bonuses. This isn't a generic link, it's your unique solution. Step 3. The hub, the secret affiliate model. If they don't buy, invite them to your hub, a community, courses, or content hub. This is where you build trust and multiple income streams. Hub-Centric isn't theory. Companies like NerdWallet and Bankrate use this model to earn millions yearly. Here's why it's better. 1. Higher conversions. Cold traffic converts at 1%. Hub-Centric, 10 to 30%. 2. Multiple income streams. Your hub becomes a revenue engine. Promote tools, run ads, sell courses, all in one place. 3. Long-term loyalty. People return to your hub for value, no more one-and-done customers. Ready to build your hub? Here's your roadmap. 1. Pick a niche. Focus on a passion like budget travel or keto cooking. Make money online. 2. Create a lead magnet, a free guide, checklist, or mini course. 3. Build your hub. Use platforms like Stage, which is the powerhouse of affiliate business system. 4. Promote wrapped offers. Never send traffic to a raw affiliate link. 5. Scale with multiple offers. Add courses, communities, and collaborations. If you're serious about mastering the Hub-Centric model, we've got you covered. At Limitless Me, we're opening our VIP group to teach you exactly how to build a Hub-Centric business, step by step. Click the link below to join our VIP group and get instant access to our in-demand course, the Affiliate Marketing Academy AMA. This is your chance to learn from 6-figure earners and finally build a business that lasts. Stop chasing quick wins, build a hub, build a legacy. See you inside.